My name's ANTON NICHOLL. I work for Bengalla in the NICHOLL group, and I am the reliability analyst. Bengalla is a single cut open pit mine, and we supply international markets with thermal coal. Bengalla is quite a unique site in the respects that we've got quite a mixed fleet. We've got 37 trucks, 15 dozers, we've got a drag line, 7 excavators. So running 24/7, it puts a lot of stress on our suppliers. We had a truck go down and the wait time on that was 3 hours from either supplier or a hose specialist. But the guys had that hose done in 15 minutes and the truck was able to go straight back to work. When you're dealing with downtimes, you need that hose assembly ASAP.
The broader New Hope group, they used the CAT Hose Solution on other sites in Queensland. So we knew it was proven. We then started working with WesTrac, our local dealer, and got a solution that we believe fit our business. We selected the package that gave us everything, which was from procurement management right through training, through to the end product, all the product support, the HIS system, everything we needed.
In the past, we've had issues with the installation of the hoses, the rubbing, heat, all that sort of stuff. When you're dealing with stuff in the pit and you've got to get your tier 1 machines up and running again, you don't want a 3-hour wait time. Well, for us, it makes sense. 15 minutes, the guys can call from the pit and we can have the hose ready before they get to the hose workshop.
WesTrac's been an integral part of implementing the hose container solution, and the good relationship we've got with WesTrac has really made it succeed.
This container here is the workshop. This is where everything happens. And then we've also got a storage solution outside, and that's where we store all our stock items. Our inventory management is basically controlled by our computer systems. So whenever stocks get low, it automatically gets reordered and we get trucks to the gate twice a day.
The local support from WesTrac is really good. So, the raw materials that go into making a hose assembly, we've got that good response that we can get those materials. We try to control the inventory so that we've got what we need in advance.
Quality of the cat hoses and couplings, like their rugged design and their tough manufacturing processes they got, they're unrivaled, to be honest. Another part of having this hose solution is that we can standardise all our process across site for the whole of the mixed fleets. We're already seeing roughly 40% sort of cost savings on OEM supply. Where we really get our cost savings is from the intangible benefits of production downtime. So when you multiply that tangible benefit across the whole fleet for over a year period, the savings are significant. If we can give production more time to use the machinery, then they've got more time to produce safe, profitable coal.